In today's video, we'll be looking at Titan Survivorcord by a company called Titan Survival. Hey, what's going on guys? Tim here again. Got another product review for you today, and as I just mentioned, it is a specific type of paracord called Survivorcord. So, as you can see by this awesome logo in front of you and this nice little Velcro strap, it's from a company called Titan Survival, and they've created this Titan Survivorcord. So what this is in a nutshell is a kind of, all-in-one survivor paracord. So it's not just 550 paracord, it's got some unique and interesting features, and that's what we're going to learn about right now. So what I've got here is I've just snipped off a piece of the paracord to give you a little cross-sectional view. And this color is called Forest Camo. It does come in a multitude of colors, which is nice. And we're just going to pull out the inside guts and have a close look. So already you can see the it's got this seven inner strands like the usual 550 cord, but as I slowly pull those away, let's just pull it all out. There we go. So let's get rid of the nylon strands. So inside, we can get rid of all this other stuff. Oops, I threw one away. There we go. So what I've got, and there it is. So stripped away the regular nylon stuff, and going from my left to right here, this first little piece of wire is actually snare wire. It's a 30 AWG or American wire gauge wire. So that's something you can use for a snare to, catch small game. You can double it up for larger animals, of course. So yeah, just thin wire, and of course any other uses you can find for wire, maybe binding things and whatnot. You can use that for maybe really fine things. Next is, let's get rid of that, is 25-pound fishing line. It's a transparent monofilament fishing line. So yep, just great for fishing and whatnot. If you're in a survival situation and you only have your bracelet left and you need fishing line, you've got some on you. And last but not least, probably one of the more important ones, this is waxed jute. So it's perfect for Firestarter. It takes a flame very easily, and it holds it, of course, due to the wax. All right, so that all very useful stuff. And again, the way I see it with this paracord is that you'll have it on your wrist, as a last ditch kind of thing, or you could even have this whole hank in your pack. Maybe not something you would be your go-to because it's more of the emergency situation stuff. You'll have your normal supplies, your basic supplies with you, but in case you lose any of that, you'll have this, which is pretty cool. So just to give you another quick demo, let's actually light up some of the Firestarter, and we'll see how that goes. All right, and there you go. So you can see that the Firestarter does work as it should. Holds a flame just nicely. It would be perfect for starting a fire, of course. So let's put that out. And yeah, really cool stuff. So just getting back to the cord, I mentioned this one is Forest Camo. It does come with a lot of other colors. The quantities are limited, so you may not see everything in stock all the time. Now, in terms of bracelet making, the cord is much stiffer, of course, because there's fishing line and the snare wire in there. So it will behave a little bit differently than normal paracord, but nothing too discernible. And also, if I'm not mistaken, the strength of this paracord is much higher than just 550 because of the added wire and the fishing line. So I believe it's up to 620 pounds, which is really cool. And now I also forgot to mention the tinder is also waterproof as well because it's wax coated. All right, and as usual, the has the typical paracord functions of being UV resistant, mold resistant, and it is, of course, pre-shrunk. All right, so yeah, that is all I have to say about Titan Paracord. Really neat stuff. If you're really into the outdoors and you want to make a really, true type survival bracelet, you might want to consider trying out this Titan Survivorcord. So if you'll look in the link in the description box down below, I do have a affiliate link for that, and that goes directly to the Titan Survival website. It's not an Amazon link or anything like that. So yeah, feel free to check that out if it interests you, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. Again, big thank you to Titan Survival for sending me this cord to check out, and you guys might like it too. And so if you guys like this video, feel free to hit that like button. If you're not subscribed already, feel free to hit that subscribe button, and also turn on notifications so you can know of when I upload videos and when you can see them. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.